Hello everyone, I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Vienna, Austria. It is the capital of the country and offers imperial traditions, music and endearing charm. We are here to visit together an outstanding penthouse set on the last 3 levels of a beautiful new construction building offering outstanding new facilities. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. We are in a UNESCO World Heritage Site, rich with culture, tradition, and outstanding architecture. The unit we are about to see together is a fantastic penthouse on the last 3 levels of this modern building you see right behind me. The works were completed in June 2020, and it is something exceptionally unique to have a modern building like this in this area of the city. A building like this gets permission to be built every few decades. The style and quality are outstanding, and that is really important when you buy an apartment because you're not only buying a unit, but you're also buying a piece of the building the unit is inside. So the environment is really important. Before we get into the apartment, let's have a look at the building and all of the services that it offers. As we walk inside, we find this stunning reception space where we have the concierge service that takes care of all the logistics of the unit for you. One of the features the building offers is this beautiful lounge area. This can be reserved and can be used for business meetings, birthday parties, little events, and generally to gather people together. There is a sitting area by the entrance. Over here, a large table with TV. On this side, a beautiful kitchen with a fridge and wine fridge. And it even has its own outdoor space behind the door. The large elevator connects the several levels of the building and brings us also to the garage spaces. A parking space is probably one of the best features to have when owning a property in the historical center of the city. This apartment has 2 large parking spots that you can see behind me. There are 4 levels of garage spaces and we are on the -3 level, which is probably one of the best ones since on the first level cars tend to get a little bit dusty, whilst here they are well protected but at the same time very close to the exit. The parking spots, as I mentioned, are extra large and one beside the other. An electric parking station can be installed if needed and connected to the apartment electricity. The building is also equipped with a fitness area. There are 2 large rooms. The first one over here, beautifully paved with parquet wood, is perfect for classes, whilst right beside we have the actual gym, fully equipped and with access onto a massage room, showers and bathrooms. Welcome inside the penthouse. It is full of natural light anywhere you go and has a stylish and sophisticated design all around, with high quality finishes and robust materials. Just like the rest of the building, it has an exceptional standard of construction, granting an incredible energy rating, being very well insulated and built. The apartment is laid on 3 levels with 220 square meters of internal surface, so about 2,370 square feet. On the last and top level, we find a beautiful 45 square meters outdoor rooftop terrace with outstanding 360-degree views that I can't wait to show you. The apartment is equipped with underfloor heating in every space. There are also splits for cooling and faster heating, whilst there is also a roof cooling all over the surface. The apartment starts with this large entrance and sitting space. By the entrance we have a beautiful cozy wood-burning fire, and on the floors we notice that they're completely covered with this wonderful oak wood that makes the space nice and cozy. The apartment can be regulated through these digital control panels for outdoor shading, heating, cooling, and several other parameters. Another interesting aspect about this unit is that on the last level of the building there are 4 penthouses. This one perhaps is the better exposed one, since south is over there. So there are beautiful sunrises on this side from one of the bedrooms I will show you, and stunning sunsets coming down on this other side, brightening up all of this living area and the master bedroom. Open space together with the living area we've seen, we have this outstanding kitchen. It is fully equipped and all of the tops are covered with this beautiful green Austrian stone, very well matching with the rest of the finishes made out of glass and steel. All of the appliances are high-end and Gaggenau. So we have the induction top over here. On this side we have the dishwasher. You can notice all of the appliances are brand new, never been used before. On this side we have 2 beautiful ovens. And then by the island with this bar area, but it could also be a beautiful dining space, we have this part over here with a wine fridge to start with, right below refrigerator, and beside a beautiful Gaggenau fridge. By the kitchen we can see the entrance space that can also be divided by this sliding door. Then right beside we have a laundry room which doesn't have the laundry machine but is all wired and set up to be a laundry. These are control panels, and in the end we have a comfortable washroom for all of the common spaces. By the kitchen we then find the first bedroom of the penthouse. It begins with its own ensuite bathroom over here with dark finishes with stone, a beautiful window overlooking the city, bathtub and a wooden sink on this side. As we keep going we find this wall completely covered with wardrobe spaces, and in the end we get to the actual bedroom. It is nice and spacious and enjoys this huge window over here through which lots of light shines through. We're now on the first level of the penthouse. It actually has its own independent access through this second entrance door access you see right behind me, and it connects to the rest of the bedrooms and the access to the rooftop terrace. Let's begin with the first bedroom. It is beautiful because it has the corner of the building, so it enjoys views on both sides. Here is where you can enjoy the sunrises I told you about. Over here we have all of the wiring necessary if you'd like a bed that has the cable Wi-Fi connection, stereo system, electricity, beautifully enriched by this natural light. On this side we also have, of course, the large ensuite bathroom, which is huge and takes up the whole width of the bedroom. It is beautifully furnished with this wood on the sinks, on the walls, and on the floor we have these dark colors. Large mirror, window giving light, double sink, bathtub, and large shower. And we now enter the master bedroom of the property. It begins over there with a little cozy office corner. And then on this side, we enter the actual bedroom, which is super spacious and is over here overlooking the large living area we've seen earlier and enjoying also its view through those windows it has. Right behind me, we have a huge window from top to bottom that can open and can shade. And from this corner is where we can enjoy the beautiful sunsets. Over here as well, we have the underfloor heating, the air conditioning. On this side, there is the ensuite bathroom in the same style as the other ones with a large shower, beautiful window with sink. Welcome to the outstanding Rooftop Terrace. It is so stylish and incredibly designed. With these beautiful finishes, on the floors we have these beautiful teak wood boards enriching this place, all around surrounded by these beautiful glass panels that let you enjoy even more these outstanding infinity 360-degree views. One of the strengths of this terrace is that it has a high load-bearing capacity. In fact, it is also perfect and ideal to install a beautiful jacuzzi, maybe on this corner, to enjoy these views even more, or even, if you like, an outdoor kitchen, maybe over here, to have some fantastic summer or spring evening parties overlooking the city with these beautiful skies. We've now reached the end of today's property tour. This penthouse really offers everything one could need. Set on the last levels of an exceptional buildings offering incredible services. The unit is completely brand new, turnkey, and never been lived in. I see an exceptional potential and I hope you do too. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below and subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes every week. Until next time, ciao.